You on?
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is what we have. For a physics project, external airbags is what we're trying to do, right? Preventing, I don't know, accidents. Anyways, so I was thinking, right, because this is a new invention, right, new idea, you can't go on YouTube to search for a video demonstration, so I thought I was going to do it. I grossly underestimated the weight of these. What we have here is a box, right, so we're going to put some Lego wheels on that, and then we're going to attach balloons to it. We're going to collide these two vehicles. Jeez, making YouTube videos is hard. If we look at this, right, the gigantic box with some tiny wooden, tiny Lego wheels. So very obviously, like, not the greatest. But I had nothing else, and I wasn't about to go to the store and purchase wheels. Okay. So, for our project, we decided to go with Julia's idea and to do external airbags. Now, here at C Industries, okay, our models are made with the finest of materials, consisting of some balloons and Lego wheels. These balloons, here at C Industries, we make our things with only the finest of ingredients, such as balloons and so forth. Of course, you know, the real airbags will be made out of Kevlar, which is a very durable fabric. But I don't have access to that, and I asked my mom if I could crash two cars together, and she said no. So I had to make my own. Is that these are airbags to activate before the impact. This is just simply a crash test, a really bad one, crash test to see exactly how it would work. Because again, right, this is a new invention. As far as I know, there aren't any crash tests of this on YouTube, none that I could find at least. So I did my own. So let's see how this works. The cart, unfortunately, it is very much bent, and so who knows, it might not roll that well, but I'm just gonna line it up. Now that I look at it, I should have probably used the bigger wheels for the car that was gonna do the impact, but it's kind of too late for that now. But anyway, so this is gonna stay still, I guess. We're gonna do some different crash tests. We're gonna do the two sides and in a front and a back, maybe. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so this will be test one. There we go. This isn't gonna roll at all. Yep. That's what's supposed to do, I guess. So that was test one. That didn't really work as I expected, but I'm not really sure what I expected. So we'll do it again. We'll do test two. Take two. Wow. Okay, well that was test two. I guess that went better than I expected. Unfortunately, we do have some damage. Worked as it was supposed to. No one got injured, right? Yep. Well, I think we'll do a head-on collision, but this time without balloons. When you're not protected with fantastic balloon airbags. So we'll do that. Okay. Head-on collision, no airbags. And here we go. Oh yeah, that was
picked a horrible place to film.
Yeah, there's obviously a lot more damage, as you can see. You know, you got some failures in structural integrity. And I mean, I don't think these holes at all contribute to it, or the shoddy workmanship. I just think, you know, it's because they didn't have external airbags, so.
I mean, there you have it. Look, this is the car with the airbags, right? Airbag car good, not airbag car not good. So I think that proves our point excellently.
All right. Oh no. Okay. Well, so here at C Industries, we pride ourselves in, because you can't put a price on safety. There seems to be a fire has broken out. Safety is our #1 priority here, and that's what will happen to your car if you don't install external airbags. You can't put a price on safety.